Okay, see how many videos it takes, because I got this new camera and it's like putting out ads, so it's going to take me several videos to get through this. I think I wanted to show you the whole darn thing. Probably have no business being out, but we have to get some food, so I mean for school tomorrow or whatever. I guarantee you businesses aren't closed down. This is when the food industry does their best business. It's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer sized snowstorm, and these guys will do their best business. When it's snowing like this, I'm going to just stay on the main road. I mean, this is bad, folks. This is bad. This is unquestionably a storm. It's quite the storm. I'm really I'm really bummed out that thing is putting out ads when I'm trying to shoot a video. That I'm sorry, it pisses me off. It's got this new camera. The old one died. The old phone, look at this. We probably shouldn't be out. This is a bad deal. Maybe what I'll do is I'll do whatever videos I'm forced to do, whatever number I'm forced to do because of these ad pop-ups that completely shut down my video. Something's gonna have to be done about that. Anyway,